Vertiv Liebert GXT5 Lithium-ion 10 kVA UPS. Could this be your data center game changer? Frustrated by UPS systems that fail right when you need them most? Bulky, heavy, and prone to battery replacements. It feels like managing power is a full-time job. Ever felt like your infrastructure is working against you? Drop a comment if this hits too close to home. Let's hear about your worst power outage nightmare. Deadlines, sensitive servers, and critical applications won't wait. Every unexpected outage ramps up stress, and watching legacy UPS systems struggle only adds to the burnout. Imagine a solution that protects your equipment, reduces maintenance, and keeps everything running smoothly, all without adding more chaos to your data center life. Meet the Vertiv Liebert GXT5 Lithium-ion 10 kVA or 10 kilowatt UPS, the ultimate guardian for mission-critical systems. This online double conversion UPS delivers pure sine wave output, isolating your servers, storage, and networking gear from spikes, sags, and power anomalies. Equipped with lithium-ion batteries, it offers an 8 to 10-year lifespan, faster recharge times, and up to 3 times longer life than traditional VRLA batteries, drastically reducing maintenance. Its 3U rack and tower convertible form factor provides deployment flexibility while saving valuable rack space. With hardwired input and output, this UPS handles high current loads securely, perfect for dedicated circuits. The RDU101 web card enables seamless remote monitoring, real-time alerts, historical logging, and integration with SNMP-based network management. Extended runtime is supported through connection to external battery modules, EBMs, letting you scale backup from minutes to hours. High efficiency in online mode reduces energy consumption, heat, and TCO, while the intuitive LCD display gives instant status updates on load, voltage, and battery health. Whether protecting a dense server rack or industrial equipment, this UPS combines power, reliability, and smart monitoring into one scalable, next-generation solution. Why are professionals and experts raving about the Vertiv Liebert GXT5 Lithium-ion UPS? It's more than just a backup. It's a critical infrastructure enabler. A data center expert said, its lithium-ion design reduces weight, saves rack space, and cuts the lifecycle cost dramatically. An IT infrastructure influencer shared, we can now monitor UPS status remotely via the RDU101 web card, with real-time alerts for load and battery health. Game-changing for proactive management. Industry analysts highlight its sustainability, longer battery life, lower maintenance, and reduced environmental footprint. Senior engineers emphasize reliability. Hardwired connections and scalable EBMs give us confidence even during peak loads. The UPS supports generator handoff flawlessly. A data center manager explained, switching from VRLA to lithium-ion freed up rack space and reduced annual testing stress. Extended runtime lets us tailor backups for specific mission-critical workloads. Users also praise efficiency and uptime. High conversion efficiency minimizes heat and operating cost, while the pure sine wave output ensures sensitive equipment is protected. Imagine uninterrupted servers, seamless storage access, and secure networking with minimal maintenance and maximum confidence. Thousands of enterprises already trust GXT5. Comment below. Which feature would revolutionize your operation? This UPS isn't optional, it's essential. The Vertiv Liebert GXT5LI-10KGVRT3UXLN UPS is in high demand. Limited stock means now is the time to secure your data center's future. Lithium-ion batteries, online double conversion power, and extended runtime capability offer reliability few competitors can match. Click now to see how this UPS protects critical loads, reduces maintenance, and keeps operations seamless. Don't just watch. Upgrade your infrastructure today and experience the difference of a true next-generation power solution.